Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari here. I'm back with another video for y'all. Today's video is gonna be very crazy, very special. Man, basically, I went through an extraterrestrial occurrence out here in Medellin. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be showing the footage, the actual footage of what happened at the end of this video. But first, I just want to talk about it with y'all. So y'all know what's going on, man. It's crazy, man. So basically, I've been living out here in Medellin for like 9 months right now, and nothing too crazy has happened, right? Blue skies, nice times, other than this coronavirus ordeal, right? That everybody else is going through too. So when this happened, man, I was like, what is going on? I thought maybe the world was ending. I thought, we were being attacked or something, like, or aliens were about to pick me up or something. And I'm telling you, it was crazy. Like if any of my subscribers or viewers were out here, comment if you was in Medellin on August 24th. So yeah, let me know if y'all were out here. But let me tell y'all what happened, YouTube. So basically, it's around, let's say 11 p.m., right? I'm chilling. I think I was watching that Lakers game, Pacers Lakers, not the Pacers, but the Portland, the Blazers. They was getting blown out by LeBron and the Lakers. So I was like turning it off. I was about to take it down. You feel me? Because I had to get up early today. You know what I'm saying? So I had turned the game off. And I went and laid down, and I had cracked my window, for that nice, cool Colombian breeze, you know what I'm saying, that Medellin breeze. By the way, if you've never been out here, sleeping out here with that breeze is like incredible. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that's been out here, lives here, knows what I'm talking about. How when you crack your window and get that breeze, you could do that anywhere though. In LA, it's the same thing. But back to the point at hand, man. So I'm getting all peaceful, laying down, whatever, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, this crazy noise just starts penetrating through every single window, every single part of the house, of the room. It was almost like an alarm, but it wasn't like a hazardous sound. It was more just like not of an explosion either, but just it sounded like louder than a jet, louder than like a fighter jet flying right over your head, louder than that. It was like that, but intensified, and it sounded more like extraterrestrial. It sounded more like a charging up, like that charging up sound, like, you know what I'm saying. So it was crazy, y'all. It was crazy. I had just literally laid down. It was about 11:15, August 24th, out here in Medellin. So, and I'm in Envigado, so I'm like right in the middle of the valley. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, I'm like, what the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? Like, I'm looking for the spaceship. I'm looking out my window. I'm looking for the spaceship. You know what I'm saying? I'm expecting the spaceship to come down to the middle and start picking people out or something, like, because I didn't see nothing. I looked out. I'm like, what is that sound? You know what I mean? What is that sound? I have no idea. I never heard nothing like that ever in my life. I'm like, well, I am in another country, so what could this be? So basically, I went ahead. I hopped on Twitter, y'all. I was like, man, what's the best way for me to find out? Let me go on Twitter and find out what's going on. And sure enough, I just typed in Medellin, and everybody's talking about this sound. Everybody, there's tons of tweets about this sound, right? So I'm just like in shock, like, yo, no one knows what it is. People are saying that they can hear it all over the city. They're posting videos about it. Matter of fact, you think I'm lying? Go on Twitter right now and look up Medellin sound in Spanish, sonido, or suena. So do that, man, because you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see, or maybe even on YouTube by now, there might be some more videos. I'm not sure if I'm the only one. It just happened yesterday, but it's never happened since I lived here, ever. And I texted my homegirl, and she was like, I don't know what that is. I've never heard nothing like that. You know what I mean? So I think for even the people of Medellin, it was like a new thing. So to this day, you know, I saw a couple suggestions on what that sound might be. And mind you, I'm gonna play a video that I took of the sound at the end of this at the end of me speaking. Okay, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But I was looking, and people were saying it could be a sound quake. Yeah. Quake. Yeah, they're saying it could be a sound quake, and then they could say it could be an industrial plant letting off like a valve. You know what I'm saying? Like a pressure release valve or something. Because it was like shh. It was like, it sounded like either a fucking spaceship was taking off or landing, or I don't know. And then you couldn't see nothing. You couldn't see nothing but, like, you know, the lights and everything normal. Everything looked normal. You'll see in the video in just a minute. So with that, man, I mean, if y'all, and you know, they said it's something with the Earth's atmosphere, like the sound quake. I was reading up on that, and it just occurs when, I don't know, some shit happens in the atmosphere, and then it produces crazy sounds on the ground down here, something like that. If anybody knows what the hell happened, you know, out here in Medellin, was it aliens? Was it a soundquake? Was it industrial plant? What was that? You know what I'm saying? Somebody let me know. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to go the alien route, man. I fuck with Earth, man. We just gotta get back, bounce back from this virus, and it's gonna be on and popping. So, yeah, man. And Medellin just announced some really good news about that virus. So, I think I'll be making a video about that coming up. Just look out for that. Now, with that, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the recording from last night of the sound. Okay, so I'm about to roll that, but first I want everybody to like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe to the channel right now, for real. Like my shit. Stop playing, and subscribe. You know, check in with your boy, and definitely get off in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this crazy shit that you're about to see right here, right now on Kari HQ. Let's go. I'm about to roll the tape. I wish y'all the best. I'm out. What the fuck was that?